Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be sharing with you furniture WordPress themes that you can use for your business. Let's get started. InteriArt Furniture and Interior WordPress Theme. Full solutions for interior, architecture, and furniture sites. No empty link, no broken links. Interior theme is a clean and modern design which is useful for creating furniture interior sites. Its stunning beauty, fashionable clean look, and proper execution, accompanied with making use of WP Bakery Page Builder, Max Mega Menu, WooCommerce, Revolution Slider plugin will help you to own an amazing site for your profile. Some of the highlight features for the InteriArt Furniture Interior WordPress theme include modern style of about, service, and contact pages, clean, modern, multi-purpose design that can be used for any type of website, WordPress 4 tested and approved, built with HTML5 and CSS3. It also comes SEO optimized, which is well organized, commented, and very clean. The theme is cross-browser compatibility. Firefox, Mozilla, Chrome will not give you any problem when browsing on them. The theme has three home versions, three header styles, and three footer styles, which means you can improve the looks of the site depending on your imagination. If you're looking for a furniture WordPress theme that will give you the flexibility on customization, then InteriArt Furniture Interior WordPress theme will serve the goal. Ruper Furniture WooCommerce WordPress theme. Ruper by WP Bingo is a strong WordPress theme for furniture WooCommerce stores. It uses the latest version of Bootstrap as the back-end framework, and you'll easily find the design of all the theme impressive and suitable for your store. Ruper is built on Elementor plugin, so you can easily drag and drop to customize your website. Besides, Ruper is compatible with three multiple vendor plugins, ensuring that you can build your multi-vendor website. Ruper comes with widgets for displaying the top-selling products, banner sliders that display featured products and trending products, product categories that feel smooth in the user experience, plus the search function is as extensive as you'd like it to be. Some of the sassy features of the Ruper furniture WooCommerce WordPress include the multi-purpose design, plenty of widget, login Ajax, SEO optimized, 16 plus unique homepage layouts, and many more. Make your furniture business a little sassy by using Ruper Furniture WordPress theme on your website. Davici Furniture WooCommerce WordPress theme. Davici by WordPress Bingo is a strong WordPress theme for furniture WooCommerce stores. It uses the latest version of Bootstrap as the backend framework, and you'll easily find the design and the templates impressive and suitable for your store. Davici puts a lot of emphasis on aligning product based on their categories. It also highlights how certain web components integrate with others. Davici is built on the Elementor plugin, so you can easily drag and drop to customize your website to your liking. Davici has widgets for displaying the top-selling product, banner sliders that display featured products, and trending products. Davici is built on the Elementor plugin, so you can easily drag and drop to customize your website to your liking. Besides, Davici is compatible with three multi-vendor plugins, that is WC Marketplace, WC Vendor, and Docker, to help you build a multi-vendor website. Davici has widgets for displaying the top-selling products, banner sliders that display featured products and trending products, product categories feel smooth in the user experience. Plus, the search function is an extensive as the search function is extensive as you'd like it to be. Among other functions of the Vinci Furniture WooCommerce WordPress theme are the elegant animation, the 500 plus Google font with preview capacity, shop grid view, and list view supported, Ajax, add to cart wishlist, clean block cart, blog layout, list grid mason, and friendly menu on mobile. Have your WordPress sell to many more clients by using the VC Furniture WooCommerce WordPress theme. Themify Furniture theme. Introducing the most powerful and flexible WordPress theme created by Themify, making it easy to create any site quickly and beautiful as needed. Ultra now comes with design skin and pre-made demo sites. The skin not only transforms the site's design and appearance, but it can also help you set up real sample within minutes. With just a single click, you can import the demo setup that includes the theme setting, content, menu, widgets, among many others. Get the exact same layout as a pre-made site with 12 free builder add-ons. Valid at $100, purchasing the extra theme will give you access to all these bonus add-ons for free. Create unlimited layouts using drag and drop builder, responsive layout, slider background, video background, parallax scrolling, custom styling, animations, and much more. To save time, Themify has packed over 60 plus professional layouts in the theme. Simply use the import demo content and you'll never look back. Ultra gives you full control from header to footer, either side-wide or per individual page. This means that you can make your entire site share the same look and feel or create a unique look for every page. And if you like this video, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.